tornado in front of us. There it goes.
Yep. Crossing the road.
Tornado 1 today.
Strong tornado.
Well, that's going right over the road where I was hoping.
I know. Look at that thing go. We got that second storm coming up behind it. We're going to have to drop south once this thing is past, Bill. Look at it go. Wow. Sorry, folks. It's got to be handheld. Shaky video, we cannot help.
Major tornado.
Yeah. Look at it go. Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Holy smokes.
Big tornado.
Strong tornado. That is a mother.
We're going to get one look at this.
Yep. Yeah, it's going fast.
It gets kind of ugly just south of here.
All right. Find a spot where we can just park.
I'm going to go through town here and then...
And what? Because we can't see squat, man.
I know, I can't help it, dude.
Well, what I'm saying, let's find a spot where we can see it.
You think?
Let's not get caught with our pants down by this next storm. Wow.
Yeah, but I'm going to go a little bit farther. Trust me. You're going to like this.
Okay, all right. Look at it. Wow.
Yeah. Twins. Twins. We're good. Don't worry about it. We're good. Wow, look at it.
Wow.
Watch how fast that thing is moving.
What a monster. Look at it.
Yep.
Look at that swirling right there.
Yeah.
Wow. All right, dude.
We're going to go down a hill here, so don't panic. Oh, no, we're not.
I know. I'm not worried about the hill. I'm worried about the wall cloud.
We'll be all right. We're going to stop here in just a minute. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. Trust me. I'll get you the best shots of your life. Just trust me. Just trust me.
You're getting...
Trust me.
All right, let's see that.
Trust me.
Bill,
Mike,
trust you to a point.
Mike, now trust me.
I trust you to a point. I've chased with you for 15 years.
Yeah. We're going to stop just about 2 minutes.
All right, there we go. Look at that. Oh, man. Holy smokes. There she goes. There she goes. Wow. Look at that sucker. Whoa. Strong tornado.
Get up top of this
tornado going so close to that house. So close to that house. Holy smokes.
Well, we're going to get a good view of it right here. Wow, come on, baby.
We're close. 3.
That thing is going so fast, I can't.
close, dude. Don't get too close so it doesn't pitch any trees in.
It won't.
Look at, see the secondary vortices on that?
Yep.
Wow. Wow. Holy crap. Man. We're going to get hit by, yeah, here comes the RFD.
Yeah, here comes the stupid hill I knew we were going to hit.
Look at that thing go. Wow.
It's already over this road.
Man, it's tearing up those trees.
Wow, we're in the RFD, buddy.
Here we are.
All right, we gotta say goodbye.
Big tornado.
We gotta say goodbye to that one, buddy.
Big tornado.
Should have came right about here.
Big tornado.
Damn it, right here. Look at the debris right here. Oh,
Yeah,
it
yeah.
crossed right here.
It sure did. Yeah. Oh. Whoa.
Power line's down, I think.
House okay?
Looks like it.
Looks okay.
Came right through a powerhouse. Power. We can't go any farther.
No. Nope. That's it. End of that one.
Wow.
Right now, Bill.
I know. All right, that one's gone, but we got another
We've got to get south.
tornado number 1. Okay, I'm gonna stop.